Namaskar. Topic for today is major histocompatibility complex, also called as MHC. As we know, immune system comprises of different type of cells such as B cells, T cells, macrophages and dendritic cells. These all cells help in defense mechanism in our body. But one question arises that how these cells differentiate between or recognize self or own body cells and foreign invaders, which can be bacteria, virus, microorganism, pathogens, or variety of, right? So how recognition takes place? So recognition takes place with the help of MHC. It is called as major histocompatibility complex. It comprises of cluster or collection of genes. These genes code for proteins, and these proteins then bind to the surface of the cells and act as self-antigens. These self-antigens help in intercellular recognition and differentiation or discrimination between self and non-self, except in case of autoimmune disorders. So that is how these proteins जो हैं MHC से MHC जीन से एनकोड हो रहे हैं, वो सेल के सरफेस पे बाइंड करेंगी और उस बाइंडिंग के वजह से जो हमारे डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म के सेल्स हैं उनको सेल्फ एंटीजेंस की हेल्प से रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेंगे बिटवीन सेल्फ एंड नॉन सेल्फ सेल्स. Now let's see major histocompatibility complex, also called as MHC. It comprises of collection or cluster of genes on stretch of DNA. These genes encode for proteins, and these proteins act as self-antigens and bind to the surface of cells. These proteins or self-antigens help in intercellular recognition and discrimination between self and non-self, that is our own body cells, and foreign invaders. That is how these cells, by the presence of these proteins on the surface of cells, our immune cells are able to recognize between our own body cells and foreign invaders. It also helps whether the transplanted tissue, in case of transplantation, right? Tissue is accepted as self, that is histocompatible, or rejected as foreign, that is histo incompatible. Now where are these genes located in human beings? These genes are located in short arm of chromosome 6. This is the chromosome 6 and it is the shorter arm, and these genes are present in the short arm of chromosome 6. Whereas in case of mice, these genes are located in chromosome 17. And in human beings, these genes are collectively called as HLA complex. Whereas in mice, they are called as H2 complex, right? तो जो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं उसमें इसको HLA कॉम्प्लेक्स बोलते हैं, लेकिन माइस में इसको क्या बोलते हैं? H2 कॉम्प्लेक्स. Now see here, MHC genes are classified into 3 categories: class 1, class 2 and class 3. Class 1 proteins encode glycoproteins and which are expressed on all nucleated cells except RBCs, and its function is to present peptide antigen to T cells. Class 2 also encode glycoproteins, but they are expressed on antigen presenting cells such as B cells, macrophages, and dendritic cells. Its function is also to present antigenic peptides to T cells, that is Th. And class 3 also encode proteins, but those proteins which have immune functions such as complement proteins, tumor necrosis factor, and heat shock proteins, and also cytokines. So difference is clear. Glycoproteins are encoded by class 1 and class 2, but in case of class 1 they are expressed on all nucleated cells, whereas in class 2 they are expressed only on APCs. Both of them help in presenting the antigen, class 1 and class 2, but class 3 have immune function. Now let's talk about H2 complex in mice. In mice, again there are three classes of genes: class 1, class 2, and class 3. Class 1 genes are present in K and D regions, expressing the gene products or encoding the proteins. Similarly, second class is present in IA and IE region, which expresses or encodes the proteins, two polypeptide chains. And class 3 is present in the S region, encoding complement proteins and tumor necrosis factor alpha and beta. Now this is very important, human HLA complex. In HLA complex, again there are three categories or three classes of MHC: class 1, class 2, and class 3. Class 1 comprises of three different domains, A, B, and C, encoding different proteins. Similarly, class 2, it encodes or it is present in the D region, such as DP, DQ, and DR, encoding alpha and beta polypeptide chains. And C3 is present in C2, C4, and BF region, as it helps in encoding complement proteins, TNF alpha, TNF beta, factor B, cytokines, etc. See, this is the stretch of DNA. I am explaining now. See, this is the class 1 genes, which are present in three different loci, A, B, and C. Similarly, these are the class 2 genes, which are present in multiple loci in the D region and represented as DP, DQ, and DR. And in between them, this region, it comprises of class 3 genes. Okay. Now class 1 genes encode glycoproteins, which are expressed in all nucleated cells except RBCs. और function क्या है इसका? It helps in presenting peptide to T C cells, or you can say in intercellular or endogenous antigen presentation, right? Now similarly, class 2 genes, they also encode glycoproteins which are expressed in APCs, that is antigen presenting cells, B cells, macrophages and dendritic cells. And these glycoproteins have function in presenting peptide to TH cells, and also you can say extracellular or exogenous antigens. Whereas class 3, these class 3 genes encode proteins which have immune functions such as complement proteins, cytokines, tumor necrosis factors and heat shock proteins. I think the difference is clear between class 1, class 2 and class 3 genes. So I hope you have liked the topic, and I have cleared all the doubts about MHC and difference about class 1, class 2 and class 3 genes. Thank you. Have a nice day.